Is it possible for a dog eater to become a first-class man?
Oh yes. Engage this tongue for these two business. Chant Hare Krishna and take prasadam. You'll forget dog eating. There is no exception. Everyone can become Krishna conscious if he follows beginning these two rules. Chant Hare Krishna and take prasadam. That's all. Test it. Make a trial. The temple is here. We are inviting. Come here, do these two business. And our Madhudvisa Maharaj is ready to give you prasadam and chants for dancing and singing. That's all. Where is it difficult? You haven't got to pay for it. No loss. If there is any gain, why don't you try it?
Why is it necessary for someone to come here and chant Hare Krishna and taste prasadam?
Just to, because here is the center, everything is being done properly. You learn. Just you have to go to school or college to learn. So just similarly, if you have to take the education of spiritual life, they will come here and see how people are doing. Idea. And you should be idea. And they will come and see and they will learn.